Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today.
Question number 1. Satellite DNA is important because it codes for enzymes needed for DNA replication, codes for proteins needed in cell cycle, shows high degree of polymorphism in population, and also the same degree of polymorphism in an individual which is heritable from parents to children, does not code for proteins, and is same in all members of population. Satellite DNA is important because the correct answer is option 3 because it shows high degree of polymorphism in population and also the same degree of polymorphism in an individual which is heritable from parents to children, and this property of satellite DNA is made use in DNA fingerprinting. Question number 2. Wound healing is due to ventral meristem, secondary meristem, primary meristem, or all of these. Wound healing is due to. The correct answer is option B, that is secondary meristem. Question number 3. Angular collenchyma occurs in Salvia, Helianthus, Althea, Cucurbita. Angular collenchyma occurs in. The correct answer is option D, Cucurbita. Question number 4. Which of the following are most suitable indicator of SO2 pollution in the environment? Fungi, lichens, conifers, algae. The correct answer is option 2, lichens. Lichens are very selective in their environment for their growth. They do not grow at all in polluted environment. So when the environment gets polluted by SO2, the lichen over there dies and it doesn't grow over there. So it acts as an indicator for pollution of SO2. Question number 5. Name the pulmonary disease in which the alveolar surface area involved in the gaseous exchange is drastically reduced due to damage in the alveolar walls. Asthma, pleurisy, emphysema, pneumonia. Pulmonary disease in which the alveolar surface area is reduced. Correct answer is option 3, emphysema. And what is the main cause of emphysema? Cigarette smoking. What happens in emphysema? The walls of the alveoli gets damaged, as a result of which the surface area for exchange of gases decreases. Question number 6. Identify the correct set which shows the name of enzyme from where it is secreted and substrate upon which it acts. Ptyalin, intestine, maltose. Ptyalin, pancreas, lipid. Pepsin, stomach wall, casein. Chymotrypsin, salivary gland, lactose. The correct answer is option C. Now in questions like this one, where many things are to be studied at once, try to restrict yourself to one or two things. Like the question asked about enzyme and the source it is secreted from. So if you look at ptyalin, pepsin and chymotrypsin, you don't even need to move on to the substrate. By just seeing at the source, you know which one is the correct answer. Ptyalin, it is a salivary enzyme. So first two options go right over there, right? Chymotrypsin, it is not secreted from salivary gland. So option D is also incorrect. So you don't even need to see the substrate. So that way you can increase your speed and save time in questions like this. Question number 7. In pteridophytes, phloem is without bast fibers, sieve tubes, companion cells, sieve cells. The correct answer is option C, companion cells. Question number 8. Balbiani rings are site of RNA and protein synthesis, lipid synthesis, nucleotide synthesis, polysaccharide synthesis. The correct answer is option 1, RNA and protein synthesis. Question number 9. Agar agar is produced by fungus, algae, bacteria, blue-green algae. The correct answer is option B, that is algae. Question number 10. In DNA, when AGCT occurs, their association as per which of the following pairs is correct? A is to G, C is to T, A is to T, G is to C, A is to C, G is to T, or all of these. Correct answer is option B, A bonds with T and G bonds with C. Question number 11. A segment of DNA has 120 adenosine and 120 cytosine. The total number of nucleotides present in that segment is. Now adenine will bind with what? Thymine. So 120 adenine means 120 thymine would be there. Similarly, 120 cytosine is there, means 120 guanosine would be there. That makes a total of 480. Question number 12. Read the different components from A to D in the list given below and tell the correct order of the components with reference to their arrangement from outside to inside in a woody dicot stem. Secondary cortex, wood, secondary phloem, phloem. 4 options are given with different orders. The correct answer is option 4. First is phloem, then is secondary cortex, then comes the secondary phloem, and finally comes the wood. Question number 13. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? Now to answer this, you must be knowing what master gland is it. So the master gland, by master gland they are referring to the pituitary gland. Okay, the options are melanocyte stimulating hormone, antidiuretic hormone, luteinizing hormone, or prolactin. Which of these hormone is synthesized somewhere else but is stored and released by the master gland, that is the pituitary gland? The correct answer is option 2, antidiuretic hormone, also known as vasopressin, which is synthesized in hypothalamus but it is stored and secreted by the posterior pituitary. Rest other 3 hormones are synthesized and secreted by the anterior pituitary. Question number 14. Identify the correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest. Chromosome, genome, nucleotide, gene. Chromosome, gene, genome, nucleotide. Genome, chromosome, nucleotide, gene, or genome, chromosome, gene, nucleotide. You have to arrange from largest to smallest. So the correct answer is option 4. Genome is the largest, followed by chromosomes, then gene, and then nucleotide. So various nucleotides form a gene, various genes form chromosome, and all the chromosomes together form the genome. Question number 15. Root plays insignificant role in absorption of water in wheat, sunflower, pistia, or pea. Correct answer is option 3, pistia.
So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.